Hey guys, this is Zach and Frank with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung 75-inch 900R 8K TV. We'll get it out of the box, show you what it looks like, and everything that's included. So these two little straps in shipping, you have to cut them, and then the whole top just slides right off. And then down at the bottom of the box on the top side is where the manual and everything is. You can see Samsung does a really good job of protecting the product during shipping. They put this on the front of the glass, which protects it from getting hit by things during shipping. We have padding, which protects the top and the bottom sides. This is the user manual for the item that's included. This is just like a quick start guide. The full-blown manual is online, but here's everything that's included. You can see this particular unit has the Connect 1 cable, the fiber optic connection, the remote. They also have some little pins for the covers, as well as the power cable to the TV, and then the batteries included for the remote. And this is for the reel for the fiber cable if you're gonna coil it up. That's everything that's in the bag. I'll get the remote out so you can see what that looks like. So here's the remote. This is standard, same remote they've been using on the Samsungs. It looks like they've actually changed these buttons down here though. Either added them or changed them. You have Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu built into the remote. It's kind of cool. Other than that, the design looks the same as the older models, the base models. It does have 3-prong power cord with ground. And again, we're going to surge protect this. This is the Connect 1 cable. You can see it's labeled TV. You slide this off and this end plugs into the television. And then this side goes into your Connect 1 box. Frank's over here working on getting the wall mount bracket on the back of the TV. We're going to wall mount this up on a full motion bracket. This is the Connect 1 box. This thing is a beast. I mean, no joke, this thing probably weighs like 10 pounds. Here's what's on it. You have the USB connectors on the side, USB 2.0. Back side, we have power, link, antenna, optical out. We're going to be using ARC through HDMI 3. It also has a LAN port to hardwire it. And then a couple more HDMI ports. This is where the Connect 1 connects. There's the bottom of it. And then it has a plastic cover on it, which we'll go ahead and take off. Very nice, clean finish. So there's a couple different things you can do with this box. You could either leave it up behind the television. You could mount it to the wall behind the TV. You could also run the Connect 1 cable down through the wall and set it on the stand. Depending on your circumstance, we also sell enclosures where you can mount this inside of the wall to make it extremely flush mount. It all just depends on your expectations and how you want the TV to look visually. We will probably set this either down on this stand or mount it behind the TV. I haven't decided yet. I'll consult with the customer and see what they would like us to do. Keep in mind, guys, we are your Samsung dealer. If you'd like to purchase this item, we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. So I'm going to give you a visual here of the TV itself. This nice wood grain type finish on it, just like the Connect One box. Here's where the Connect One cable connects down here. We have our TV mount bolting position here, which you can see this mount did work well for. I like how they put these hand guards on here. Back in the day, they didn't do that, and a lot of TVs got cracked during installation. This just helps with giving your hand a place to rest. You don't want to put your hand on there, but sometimes whenever you're mounting it on the wall, it'll just get up around the edge a little bit. So it's nice that they put that on there and then put the film over the front to keep it from getting scratched up. This is the exact model here, guys. Alright, so we got our fiber cable as well as our IR emitter. Go ahead and get this guy mounted up on the bracket, get our 2 security screws put in, get it fired up. It's as easy as that. It is very important that on the back of the TV, you use the security screws here. See right here. If you don't put those in, the TV will fall right off the wall. We're just gonna get those screwed in, and we'll get our wires routed through the wire channel so that the customer can swing it around as they'd like towards their desired seating area. All right, let's peel the wrapper off this bad boy. I like how they put these hand guards on here, guys. It's really nice whenever you're mounting the TV. Sometimes when you're holding it on the edge, it feels like you're gonna crush the panel, even though you're trying to keep your hand right here. So they just go through that extra precaution, putting that on there to make sure that you don't damage the panel when mounting it. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the plastic off for the customer, make sure that there's no fingerprints, and we're gonna get it leveled out and pushed up against the wall. Then we'll make all our connections to the television and test it, make sure we're 100%.
Hello and welcome. Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile.
Okay guys, well this is the unboxing of the Samsung 900R. This is the 75-inch model here mounted on the wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you'd like to make a purchase, give us a call or shoot us an email. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.